You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A Turkish name, or a name of Turkish origin at least. In Turkish it means white stone. It's a female name, girl's name. Merve. Merve is how it's said in Turkey in Turkish, a name of Arabic origin. Merve, or in English you can say it as Merve, is how it's said in English generally. Merve. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.